Introducing the 12-foot Summit service body with crane, engineered for heavy-duty performance. Designed for a 33,000 GVW chassis with a 108-inch cab-to-axle, this rust-free powerhouse features a 10,000-pound hydraulic crane with a 24-foot reach. 9 spacious storage compartments, including positive pressure cabinets, ensure tools stay secure and organized. Equipped with hydraulic outriggers, a rear workbench bumper, and heavy-duty drawer packs, it maximizes efficiency. Enhance productivity with lube reels, an air hose reel, and integrated work lights for any job site. The advanced air and hydraulic unit delivers seamless operation. Built for durability with Line-X coating and Summit's ASE safety system, this truck is your ultimate mobile workshop. Contact DTI Trucks for details, shipping quotes, and quality installation services.